After more than 2,300 unanswered job applications, one thing became clear. When experience stops getting responses, the problem usually isn't ability. If you're over 40 and the usual career options are no longer producing results, this video is for you. Not because you're exploring a hobby, but because you need a practical way forward. When a career ends earlier than expected, be it through retrenchment, early retirement, or a prolonged job search, a direct question comes up. What do you do when traditional employment is no longer reliable? By the end of this video, you'll understand why starting a YouTube channel is a practical decision, not a passion project, but a response to the situation. I'm Lauren. If you're in this position, then this process will sound familiar to you. First, you submit applications, then you wait. You check for updates and nothing comes back. There is no rejection or feedback, which makes it difficult to know what to change. Over time, this uncertainty affects how you view your own experience, even though your skills and capability haven't changed. So eventually the focus shifts away from individual applications and you begin questioning whether your skills are still considered relevant in the current job market. Not because they've disappeared, but because there's no response to evaluate. When feedback stops, confidence often fades out. This is common for people over 40, even though the lack of response is not a measure of competence. If you've been wondering whether this is happening only to you, it isn't. There is another issue that becomes clear during this period. Relying on a single employer for income is no longer a dependable strategy for the majority of people. Most of us were taught that one job provides long-term security. That assumption only holds true when employment conditions remain stable. When they don't, options become limited. At that point, finding another job is not always enough. An alternative and additional way of earning income then becomes necessary. In 2024, the role I was in ended. My position was made redundant. I applied for roles I was suited for, roles I was overqualified for, and roles I expected some response from. Like many people in this situation, you eventually stop counting applications, and then you simply stop applying, not because you've given up, but because the process is no longer producing results. At that point, a clear distinction usually appears. Finding another job title is not the same as securing income. Employment and income are not always the same thing. We were taught that work follows a straightforward path. You work, you build a life and a family, and then you retire. That expectation doesn't reflect reality for many people anymore. Placing all that responsibility for income on one employer only works if circumstances don't change. But circumstances do change. Once you accept that reality, you'll stop trying to return to the old model and start looking at alternatives. YouTube is an option you can act on now. It's something you can start where you are by using the skills you already have. There's no application process involved. You can start and adjust over time. You don't need a large setup. You can start with basic equipment. Tools like CapCut, Canva, and OBS are straightforward enough to use without feeling overwhelmed. The aim isn't quick results. The aim is to build something gradually that don't depend on one employer. The skills and experience you already have can be used on YouTube. You can repurpose the skills you have. Many people link their sense of value directly to their job. That link can be difficult to separate from. Most people don't feel confident when they start something new, especially later in life. Being on camera often feels uncomfortable at first. That reaction's normal, and confidence tends to build as you keep going and doing the work. This channel exists to focus on practical action. You don't need a perfect plan, and you don't need ideal conditions. You can start with what you already have and adjust as you go. If this video was helpful, a like or subscribe helps others find it. If you're over 40, you may have grown up hearing children should be seen and not heard. That idea doesn't disappear just because we're older. It often shows up again when a camera is involved. The next video looks at why many people over 40 feel uncomfortable on camera and how that belief affects whether they become a creator or not. The link is on the screen.